These are my three favorite things about these Eero routers and mesh Wi-Fi systems. Number one, Eero is so easy to set up and use. The Eero app allows you to use your Amazon account if you'd like, and you can set up these systems in minutes. The Eero support team has been amazing with me anytime I've had an issue too, so it's just easy. Number two, Eero is stable. They just work well and keep your other devices connected to your Wi-Fi. I very rarely have experienced drop-offs, and the ability to wire in these points makes the system even more stable if you want to do that. Number three, they're fast, and you can prioritize different parts of your network. Plus, you can extend your Wi-Fi network with additional Eero points or with an Echo Dot or Echo Smart Speaker. That's right, Echo speakers can be part of your Wi-Fi system. So those are the three best things about these Eero mesh routers and Wi-Fi systems.